Muscle cramps. What are muscle cramps? Muscle cramps are sudden involuntary contraction that occurs in various muscles. These contractions are often painful and can affect different muscle groups. Commonly affected muscles include those in the back of your thigh, back of your lower leg, and the front of your thigh. You may also experience cramp in your abdominal wall, arms, hands, and feet. The intense pain of cramp can awaken you at night. A sudden sharp pain lasting from a few seconds to 15 minutes is the most common symptom of muscle cramps. However, in some cases, a bulging lump of muscle beneath the skin can accompany a cramp as well. What are the causes of muscle cramps? Muscle cramps have several causes. Some cramps result from overuse of your muscle. This typically occurs while you are exercising. Low blood to your legs and feet can cause cramping in those areas when you exercise, walk, or participate in physical activities. In some cases, a medical condition can cause muscle cramps. These conditions include spinal nerve compression, which can cause muscle cramps in your legs when walking or standing, alcoholism, pregnancy, kidney failure, and hypothyroidism. How to treat muscle cramps. To ease the pain from muscle cramps, you can apply a hot-cold compress to your sore muscle at the first sign of spasm. You can use a hot cloth, a heating pan, a cold cloth, or ice. If your pain does not improve, try taking an over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication such as ibuprofen. It may also help to gently stretch the sore muscle.